What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate all you guys coming back. This video is gonna be a different whole video. It's gonna be a taste test or whatever, you know. Yeah, so let's get to it. Right now I'm inside my house in the kitchen. Everybody's asleep except my brother, but yeah, so I'm trying to keep it down low. So today we're gonna do this what's it called? I don't know. We did this pickle chamoy thing from TikTok, and I've been watching it every day. I'm on TikTok. Somebody's doing this, so you know, I was like, let's do this. I want to try it. It looks bomb. Alright, so first thing first, the Takis. Obviously, you could do those or hot Cheetos. Next thing is the sprinklers. Anyways, yeah, this is the other sprinkler. That was a mango. This is the watermelon. Little salt bait. Lucas, yeah. Gushers. British Gushers. And then this, yeah, Lucas. Yeah, I remember this like in middle school, elementary. We used to buy like a whole pack. And then the football, get your football. But yeah, football. And the main thing is this pickle. Here it is. Let me do. Oh shit! Dude, she's. I was supposed to say something else. Wait. Why is shit getting all over my? What the fuck? It's just squirting all on my face. That's what the fuck, bro? No mames. Fuck, bro. I fucking started bleeding. Look at this. Fuck. Just kidding. Hey, but low-key looks like blood. Like somebody like. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh. Look at my eye. I just washed. I just put a little bit of water in it. It's all fucking. I'm gonna have to put fucking bleach or something. Alright, so first thing first, let's try this juice. See how it tastes. Ready? Cheers. I wanna give a cheers to it. I'm not maze. Alright, here goes. So it just tastes like literally like a dill pickle. A little bit of sweet. Not bad, but no, it's not that sour. It's just like a little bit, but not that bad. So yeah, so I have my spoon here to take everything else inside out. Take a bite from there, and then take everything out. So here goes. Let's try it. You guys ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? You guys want to bite? Nah, that's kind of gross. Alright, here goes. So, I'm gonna take everything out. Now we could just put the stuff inside. Damn. Wait. But I don't want to make a mess because that shit gets very, that shit gets very messy and it stains bad. Okay, so but yeah. So how you guys been? How's life? Mine's okay, not bad. Can't complain. You know. You guys probably like, what's up with your 5-0, bro? Like, are you doing anything? No races or what? Coming soon? It's just harder now to get like car parts. It gets fucking expensive. But like, there's some stuff I want to get, but I don't want to. Like, I'm gonna get it, but like, I don't want to say what I'm gonna get. So So they just for you just wait and see. Then be like, oh, this food didn't get that shit. Or like, this food got another one. Or different brand or some shit, you know? But it's coming soon. Alright, back to this. So here it is. Made the hole. And pretty much took everything out. Takis. We're gonna put the taki first. This is a taki. This is what you call a taki. Bomb. Damn, I haven't had these for a while, bro. Takis are pretty lit. So yeah, I'm gonna put one in here first. We're gonna make our fucking pickle big, bro. We're gonna make that shit fat as fuck. But yeah, we're gonna make that shit dank. Damn, fucking Takis. Shove everything in there. Should I shove everything in there? Nah. Let's leave some space for the other shit. So next thing we're gonna do gushers. We already have the Takis in there, so let's put the gushers in here. You guys like gushers? I like gushers. You know what I just noticed too? This is fruit by the foot, right? The other one was I forgot what it was. I was saying foot long. No mames. But it's fruit by the foot. Yeah, because it's like a foot long. Sorry, I'm a little slow. So yeah, we just put these gushers in there. So let's put a couple in there. Not that much. Cause we have a lot of shit to put in there. Alright, so that's that. And then squinkles. Let's put these fucking squinkles. What the hell? Alright, so you have like the little salsita. Put that shit in there. We're gonna show that shit in there too. Now I know why people wear fucking gloves. Que pendejo. My next thing is gonna be this one. This one here. It's a watermelon. Some people are like, salsita, what the fuck? Are you not talking, dude, or what? It's not really salsa, bro. It's just fucking, that's what I call it. It's not really a name, but you know. Alright, here it goes. And then we're gonna put some in there. Damn, that shit's big as fuck. Oops. There goes the fucking gusher. How's it going? How's it looking so far? Alright. Alright guys. Almost done. So now we're gonna put the little lupus in here. Why is it spicy?
Why is it spicy?
Alright, so then we did that. Then we're gonna put this little, what I call this, ooh, my mouth's getting watery. I hope you guys' mouth gets watery too. Let's get a little closer to this action. Alright. A little bit more. And then we're ready to roll it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna roll it up. You guys can't really see it because I'm gonna put it on the floor. I mean, not on the floor, put it on the table. And once I'm done rolling it up, I'll show you guys. And yeah. All right, let me show you guys how it looks. Finally rolled it up. A little closer. Here goes. Dude, my mouth fucking watery. You guys ready? I like to do. All right, here goes. I didn't get that much of the Takis, but let me tell you about the Takis. Okay. In the beginning, when I just ate the top of the pickle, it was a sweet, but the spice, not the spice, the sour took over. And it tastes just like a regular pickle, but with a little bit sweet. This, after all I added, the sweet took over. And it was like fruity. It was really good. But at the end, you get like a little hint of sourness, which wasn't bad, but it was pretty good. Would I do it again? Fuck no. No, I'm just kidding. No, I would do it again, but a little bit cleaner. But yeah, it was pretty good. I kind of thought of how it was gonna taste, and it kind of did taste like that, like sweet, but then sourness. Sweet, kind of like a sweet, but then sour. It was pretty good. Yeah, if you guys want to try it, check it out. I bought this one on TikTok. I don't know the link, I forgot. It was, just look up Chamoy Kit, and you'll see there's a bunch of people selling them. This one I got it for like 20 bucks, so it wasn't that bad. 20, 25, one of those two. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like the video, share it, leave a comment. Also guys, we're almost gonna hit 4K, 4,000 subscribers. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out guys.